26 Essential Mandarin Phrases for Beginners. Hello, 你好，你好。Thank you, 谢谢，谢谢。You're welcome, 不客气，不客气。Sorry, 对不起，对不起。It's okay, 没关系，没关系。Yes, 是，是 or 是的，是的。No, 不，不 or 不是，不是。Please, 请，请。Excuse me, which is used to get attention, especially before asking a question, is 请问 in Chinese. Literally, it means please ask. Say it with me. 请问，请问。When excuse me is used in the context of making way or to apologize, it can be translated to 打扰一下. Literally, it means disturb a bit. Say it with me. 打扰一下，打扰一下。What's your name? 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ My name is 我叫How are you? 你好吗？你好吗？ I'm good. 我很好，我很好。Where's the bathroom? 厕所在哪里？厕所在哪里？ Good morning. 早上好，早上好。How much is this? 这个多少钱？这个多少钱？ Help! 救命！救命！ Can you help me, please? 你可以帮我吗？你可以帮我吗？ I don't understand. 我不明白。我不明白。I don't know. 我不知道。我不知道。Please say it again. 请再说一遍。请再说一遍。Please speak slowly. 请说慢一点。请说慢一点。What does this mean? 这是什么意思？这是什么意思？ I can speak a little Chinese. 我会说一点儿中文。我会说一点儿中文。Bye. 再见。再见。Incorporating these basic phrases into your daily practice will significantly improve your Mandarin conversational skills. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every word or phrase you learn is a step closer to fluency. Keep practicing, stay curious, and 加油, keep going. 再见, bye.